Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? I'll be back with you in a minute, girl. Ready? Here we go. Well, that should help freeze the swamp road. It'll take a lot of nights of that, though. Oh, well, good morning, Timbco. Holy smokes, I think I see lights over there. Wow, look at that. Oh, slasher might slash something. Oh, this isn't good. The heater's not running. Why not? Well, let's see if it'll start, huh? 20 below this morning. Nope. Yeah, it's not happy with me this morning. Not running very good. Must have a fuel issue. Huh. Did you see that? That's what you get when it's 20 below and your heater doesn't work. I don't know if there was still some number 2 fuel mixed in at my fuel tank, my bulk fuel tank. I don't know what's going on. It seems like it has a little bit of a fuel issue. It's not running very smoothly. And yes, we use 2 pickups because 24 volt. I don't like this. Bang that load straight. Actually, the driver isn't straight. Why does the load need to be? So I'm cutting down to this natural boundary. It's a swamp. You see the tamarack back there? And there's this big tree. See, that's a pretty good sized tree. And I just assumed it was a spruce. And I looked up, oh no, that's a really nice balsam. Might as well get a video of actually cutting it, huh? Well, you're not going to see much, it's all snow. So I got to carry it way back up here and put it in the other drag here. Let's see. Right up here. Alright, ready? Here it goes, right into the sunlight. There's something different about this balsam. Oh! It's getting dressed. Look away! Oh, it's dressed. It's just wearing high water pants, huh? See the little trail going down to the swamp? And the little trail going down. Showing a little ankle on such a cold day might not be the best idea there, Mr. Balsam Tree. So I just looked at the temperature on my phone just to see how warm it got today, because it's the warmest part of the day. and it said 0. So apparently there's not a temperature right now. Hey, slashed wood. I see slashed wood. I see a limmer. Whoa. Smoke. It's supposed to be cold tonight. I think I found my antifreeze leak on the Timbco here. That's why my heater wasn't working yesterday. It's right there. That's a clear indication that you have a antifreeze leak. Yes, I run the extended life antifreeze. I did not show how I fixed that. I didn't fix it. I stuck a piece of gasket making material on there and a hose clamp. Clamped her down to get through the day till I can fix it right. That right there is a dead aspen. I was just cutting around it. I jumped out to use the little boys' room. Boy, that's something you gotta watch out for, that something doesn't break off. Always look up when you get out of a machine, or before you get out of the machine. This thing is supposed to run 20 quarts the acre, a little over 20, 25 quarts the acre, but geez, there's like half an acre with 5 trees in it. It's not real thick. I hope it cuts out. Actually, I hope it overcuts, but boy, I'd be shocked if it cuts out. It's better over there. That might be 20 quart to the acre, but that's one of the better patches. Mostly regen in here. Understory. Volunteers. It's a glorious 12 above this morning. Feels nice. Suppose I could turn the heater down so you can hear. It's snowing this morning. Still snowing. Are you doing something? You don't have a call or something? That noise? Yeah. I guess my new brother-in-law had a calling thing over there. I should have got him on video. Yeah, boy, when he played the cougar one, that was wild. So I'm throwing this drag of aspen here, and this pine tree got scared that I was going to hit it, so it moved off to the side for me. Thanks, pine tree. Nice. My pickup seat. I sent my dash in to get repaired last summer, fall. Yeah, I rolled the... It's not working again. Now I can't roll up my window. And worse yet, my radio doesn't work. What are you gonna do? Your cylinder's got a floppy end here.
It's got a what?
Got a floppy end.
Yeah.
It's Miller time. Dean took that back to the shop to try to fix that ear. Well, it's after 5. I'm going to have to quit welding. I'm a union welder. I should Probably hit that side again. Let's call that good. Miller time is over. Yeah. We got it in the one pin in there, we just need the bolt. Let's see if we can. No, he's gonna have to take a little pressure off the grab arms. Can't quite get it, that pin to spin. One project done. Can we go home now? Okay. Good night, Timbco. We'll see you tomorrow on Saturday. It's Friday the 13th. Hope you guys had a good day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.